Did you know that your hypothalamus affects your bone and your joint health? Let's talk about it. I know I talk about your hypothalamus a lot, but I was super excited to see some new research on how the hypothalamus affects your bones and your joints. I know in my patients who had supported their hypothalamus nutraceutically that their bone and joints are healthier. They have less joint pain with osteoarthritis and are able to maintain and build bone density. Your hypothalamus receives information from the autonomic nervous system about how much pressure you're putting on your joints and your bones. That pressure releases a type of prostaglandin called PGE2. If there's not enough pressure and no prostaglandin release, then your hypothalamus does not stimulate bone repair and will lose bone density. Now, if there's too much pressure and too much of the PGE2 produced, then your hypothalamus will stimulate too much bone regeneration, which will cause calcium deposits and bone spurs known as osteoarthritis. It is your hypothalamus that is stimulating bone density and promoting joint health through communication with your peripheral nervous system. Now, you can help your bones and your joints stay healthy by supporting your hypothalamus nutraceutically with Genesis Gold. Since bone health also requires adequate estrogen to prevent excess bone loss, adequate progesterone, testosterone, DHEA, growth hormone to stimulate bone remodeling. Also, be sure you're eating a mineral-rich diet and you're staying active with weight-bearing exercise to stimulate proper prostaglandin production. Now, if you have any question about your bones and your hypothalamus, please join us in our Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.